Model 2024 Transit Custom 300 L1 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive 2.0 EcoBlue 170ps Low Roof Crew Cab Limited Van Body, Grey, Crew Cab Mileage, 81,516 MOT, the 30th of January 2024 Engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 170ps Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Timing belt will need replacing shortly, vacuum pump has been take out and is in the back of the van, will need replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history,